Good morning, students. Today's class we are going to learn text features. Okay, text features. Text features include all the components of a story or article that are not included in the main body of the text. Okay, they are additional features added to the text. Let us look at some common text features. Text features means text features always include some of the components of the story, okay, that are not included in the main body. They are additional features added to the text. First one is title. Identifies the topic of the text. The title identifies the topic of the text. Next is glossary. Important of great value. Tell us definition of some of the words in the text. In the glossary part there will be some words and their meanings, okay, importance of these words. Next is heading. Divides the text into sections and explain what they are about. The heading. In the heading section it divides the text into separate sections and explains what they are about. Next is illustrations. Shows what something looks like created by an artist. So illustration refers to the pictures in this story, okay, pictures in the story, the pictures of the images drawn by the illustrator, okay. Next is bold print. This shows important words than the ones that can be found in the glossary. So here bold print shows there may be some important words or some important sentence in the text, so they will give it as a bold print, okay, bold letters, so we can easily identify and understand the words. Bullet points make a list easy to read and understand, so they will give the important points in the bullet format, okay. Maps tables explains information in a visual manner. So the maps will explain the maps and tables explain the importance of some information in a visual manner, okay, in the visible manner. This is caption. My puppy explains what a photograph or illustration is about. So if a picture is there in the sense, they will give a caption heading to the picture, so we can easily identify what the picture is, okay. So today's topic is text features. Text features include all the components of a story or article that are not included in the main body of the text. They are additional features added to the text. Let us look at some common text features. Title identifies the topic of the text. Glossary tells the definition of some of the words in the text. Heading divides the text into sections and explain what they are about. Illustrations show what something looks like created by an artist. Bold print shows important words and the ones that can be found in the glossary. Bullet points make a list easier to understand, read and understand. Maps tables explains information in a visual manner. Captions. My puppy explains what a photograph or illustration is about, okay. So today's class we learned text features. What's the text features? Yeah, text features include all the components of the story, not a main idea, okay. There are additional features in the text. Some first one is title. Title means what's the topic. Next is glossary. Glossary gives some important words and their meanings. Heading divides section into each part and explain about what is given, okay. Illustration means the pictures written by the illustrator, pictures drawn by the illustrator. Bold print, some of the words and letters are given in the bold print so that we can easily find the important meaning of the text. Bullet points, to understand easier they will use some points, okay. They will use bullets and write some important points. Maps and tables, by using maps and tables they can make us easily understand the information in a visible manner. Captions, if a picture is given, if picture or a photograph is given in the sense, we need to know, right, what is the picture, what is in the picture. So caption is important. Okay, so hope you understand today's topic. Let's see diary entry in our next class. Okay, thank you children.